Hind candidates. So today we will be discussing some words, okay, which will give you a indication as to how to write good sentences when you appear for your test 2 in Psych, which is WAT, Word Association Test. Okay, so all of you know that I'm Wing Commander Mukesh Tiwari, and I've been senior psychologist in Air Force Selection Board Varanasi as well as in Dehradun. And today we are going to discuss 10 words, okay, sample words which I have chosen, which will give you an insight as to how to write good sentences in WAT. Okay, so the words which I have taken, they are just at random being picked up by me. Okay, and the words are kindness, game, opportunity, practice, life, learn, leader, eager, lose, and limit. Okay, so these are the words which have been taken by me, and we will be discussing some responses which has been given by some students. Okay, and we'll see whether the sentences are good or some corrections are required. Okay, now all of you know that the responses are supposed to be observational response. Okay, and by observational response I mean to say that the response has to be from your own original imagination. Okay, don't try and pick up sentences which are already there, okay, proverbs or idioms or anything like that. Just try and give your own response, okay, which is your originality, okay, which is your own original imagination. Okay, so here we move, and the first sentence, okay, first response which has been given by a student in kindness is, he says, kindness lures people. Okay, kindness lures people. Game, he has written, healthy competition uplift sportsman spirit. Okay, now kindness lures people. Okay, I will say it's an okay sentence, not a very good sentence, okay, because it's luring people. Okay, it's just a okay sentence, I will say. Games, healthy competition uplift sportsman spirit. Okay, a good thing. Okay, however, he has not utilized or used the word game, but the idea which has flashed into his mind when he heard this word game was that it is something regarded healthy competition. Okay, so this is a good sentence. Healthy competition uplift sportsman spirit. Opportunity, he has written, diligent people effectively utilize opportunities. Okay, so this is a good one. This is a good sentence. Healthy people, where is it? Oh, sorry, diligent people effectively utilize opportunities. Okay, so this is a good sentence. I will say it's a good imagination which he has revealed. Practice, for practice he has written, regular practice uplifts performance. Okay, this is also I will say good sentence. Okay, that regular practice which shows that there is some kind of a determination, there is some kind of a perseverance which is there in the candidate. Life, strong motives gives direction to life. Okay, this is also a good sentence which is giving that he has got a focused approach in which he thinks that if a person is having a strong motive, it will give direction to the life. Okay, learn, each attempt is a learning experience. Okay, it's a common sentence, people, many people write such kind of sentences. Seventh one is leader, determined mindset makes a leader great. Okay, this is also, so overall the perspective or the inference which I am getting out of the sentences of this candidate is that the candidate has got some amount of focused approach. He is showing some amount of perseverance. Okay, he is continuing with his efforts. His sentences are revealing that he is continuing with his effort, and he has got good amount of determination. Okay, eagerness for knowledge brings development. This is also an okay sentence. Lose, correct approach loosens tough task. Okay, very good. This is a good one, good imagination. Correct approach loosens tough task. Okay, good one. Limit, there are no limits for optimists. Okay, so overall I will say a good performance given by this candidate, and the sentences which has been written by this candidate reveals a good amount of determination, good amount of perseverance, focused approach. Okay, he is having his directions correct. whatever he wants to do, he will be able to do or complete it in his life. Okay, so a good response given by this candidate for these 10 words which we have just taken. Okay, now the second one is, first sentence he has written kindness, always ready for help others. Okay, kindness may he's written always ready for help to others. Okay, so okay sentence. Okay, common type kind of a sentence, I will say. Not a very good sentence, but not a very bad sentence also. Games makes mentally happy. Okay, this is also a common kind of a sentence. Okay, opportunity he has written, opportunity comes with passion. Okay, this is also I will say a common kind of a sentence. Okay, not much of imagination has gone into it, but it's okay. Practice builds a new character. Okay, practice helps in making a new character. Okay, life is combination of failures and success. Okay, this is also an okay sentence, combination of failures and success. Okay, basically ups and downs. Learn with creativity, always remember. Okay, learning with creativity is always remembered. This is what I presume that he or she means to say, this thing, that if you are creative, then whatever you learn, it helps you in keeping remembering it for a longer time. Okay, leader builds team spirit. Good sentence. Eager to learn new skills. Okay, so some kind of a passion is there to learn new skills. Lose gives a lesson of mistake. Give a lesson of mistake. Losing. Okay, losing basically losing give a lesson of mistake. So you learn if you lose. Okay, limit daily exercise enhance our stamina. Okay, so limit he has taken by saying that if you exercise or practice daily, it will enhance your stamina. Okay, sentences, I will say. Not revealing a very good imagination, also not revealing a very poor imagination. So it is somewhere in between. Okay, a borderline, a kind of a sentences which he has given. Now his behavioral pattern with this kind of response will be correlated with the stories which he has written, and subsequently the situation reactions which he must have given, and then it will be finalized as to whether this candidate fits into the category of recommended candidates or not. As of now, it is revealing some kind of a borderliner kind of a performance. Okay, the third one is kindness. Okay, so kindness comes generous nature. Kindness comes generous nature. Okay, not very well comprehended. Okay, the sentence framing has got some mistake. Although what I can make out is that with kindness, it comes out with some kind of having a generous nature. Okay, I will take it. Game prepare mentally. Okay, so if you are playing games, then it will help you in preparing yourself mentally. Okay, opportunity, activeness seen, opportunity easily. Okay, so this candidate has got some kind of a comprehension problem. Okay, he's not framing sentences very correctly, I will say. Okay, so it is difficult to understand what he wants to convey. His ideas are not getting conveyed very correctly and very easily to me. Okay, practice helps improvement. Okay, so if you practice, you improve. Life is valuable. Very common sentence, nothing much. Learn, daily practice help to learn easily. Okay, this is also a very common kind of a sentence which is given by most of the students. Not a very impressive kind of a performance as of now. Leader, helping nature makes leader. Okay, eager, meditation reduces eager. Okay, so if you are, I think he has confused eager with some kind of anxiousness. Okay, so he's saying that meditation, if you meditate, then that anxiety level will come down or something. Okay, so what I was saying earlier also, this candidate is unable to put across his views and his points, his feelings, his ideas in a very comfortable manner. Lose is a time to learn new things. Okay, so when you lose, you learn new things. Limit, learning has no limit. This is a very common sentence. Okay, so this performance is not a very impressive performance, I will say. It is giving a kind of a feeling that the candidate has not been able to put across his points, his views, his ideas in a very easily and in a very correct manner. Okay, so some kind of comprehension problem is there. Okay, most if he's doing it just to keep the length of the sentence limited, I don't know what was the reason, but if that is the reason, then he should try and practice more, because his ideas is they are not coming out very correctly to the assessor. Okay, so these are the three sets which I thought I will discuss it with you all. Okay, just to give you a feeling, a practice sort of a thing as to how you should write your sentences, okay, when you are taking on your test 2, that is word association test. Okay, keep it in mind that the sentences which you are giving should be your own original imagination, okay, revealing those 15 officer like qualities in it. Okay, so that is what the main purpose is. Okay, and the more you practice, the better your performance will be. In WAT, practice helps you in preparing yourself in a much better much better manner, okay, as compared to story writing and all. Okay, all the best, candidates. Do well, prepare well. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy, and get recommended. Jai Hind.